How to view your page videos on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your page videos on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and then go down until you find pages, and then click here, select your page, and now just go down. Here you will find this one here, videos, and here you can view your page videos, and that's it. It's easy, of course, and you can add any video you want. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.